Okay, now I want to explain about the SW6, yeah? Start from number 1. So for those who get a wrong number here, please refer to the question that you get wrong, yeah? So I want to explain, start from number 1. Here, the following dot diagram shows the waiting time of some patient at a clinic. Yeah, so we have horizontal line here. So the number on the horizontal here represent the waiting time in minutes. So 0 minute, 5 minutes, 10 minutes, etc. And the dot here is represent the number of patient. Okay, yeah, so 1 dot 1 patient means 2 dot is 2 patient, and etc. Okay, the first question is find the total number of patients. So this is very easy. You just need to count how many total dots that on the diagram. So after I count, I got 24. 24 patients, yeah? That's very easy. And then the second one is the most common waiting time. So this, the most common waiting time, refer to the value of mode, okay? The mode here is in this part. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 people, 5 patients that waiting 9 minutes. So this is the most common waiting time. So the most common waiting time is 9 minutes, yeah? Okay, so that's easy. And next is the maximum and minimum waiting time. So when we look at the diagram, the maximum waiting time that there is a people waiting, yeah, for 25 minutes. So there are 2 people waiting for 25 minutes. That's the maximum. And the minimum one, there is 1 patient actually waiting for 0 minute. So the maximum is 25. Okay. And then the minimum is 0, yeah, in minutes. Okay. And then the fourth one, the percentage of patient who had wait more than 15 minutes. So more than 15 minutes, how many people, yeah? So more than 15 minutes, it means the 15 minute itself is not counted. So this is the boundaries, yeah? So here, this one. So this is the total number of people, number of patients that waiting, that have been wait more than 15 minutes. So how many people? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10 patients that wait more than 15 minutes. So if we want to find the percentage, we have to divide 10 with the total number of people, total number of patients, which is 24, yeah, and then multiply it by 100%. Okay, so we got 41.67%. So I just make it to decimal places, yeah. Okay, that's fine. So if you see here, there are 2 points. Make sure you do the method, yeah. If you just write the answer, you lose both the point, because usually this is for the accuracy, okay, and this is for the method, yeah. Be careful. If you have 2 points, you cannot just give the answer. You have to show the method, yeah. If there's only 1 point, it means you can just show the answer. Okay, so that's number 1, and now is number 2. Okay, the height in centimeter, the height in centimeter of 20 children are given below. So this is the data of 20 children, the height of 20 children, yeah. So we are going to draw a stem and leaf diagram, yeah, to represent this information. So first we have to find what is the minimum of value here. So I think I got it. The minimum value is 54 and the maximum value is 99. So our data lies between from 54 until 99, yeah. So we can write something like this. So stem and leaf diagram, stem here is represent the 10, yeah, and leaf is representing the unit. Okay, so here I have 5 as the 10, 5 until 9, yeah. So I just write 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is the 10. Okay, and I just separate 10 and between 10 and units by one line. So here, after that, we try to order the number from the smallest to the highest. Start from 54, means the 5 here is the 10, and then the units is 4, so we can just write 5 and then 4 here. Okay, yeah, is there any other 5 again? So no, yeah, only 54, 1, and then the 6. I think we have 64. Oh, where is it? Where is the 6? Okay, so we have 64. Okay, so 6 and then 4 right here. And then what we have again, 66. So 6 and 6, yeah. And then do we have another 6? Okay, I think no, yeah. And then 7, start from 7. Then we have 74. 7 and then 4. And then after that 70, what is again? 75. 7 then 5 and etc. You try to find all the data and then order it from the smallest to the highest, yeah. Okay, so I just want to continue the process, yeah. Okay, and then 81, 82, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, and 93, 94, and 99. Okay, I think this is all the data that we have from the table here. But a number for the 18, so 18 there are a lot of data. Actually you can split, yeah, you can split the 18 here, become two parts, but I don't want to do that because it's not quite long, so I just do it like this. You haven't done here in the stem and leaf diagram. There is one more thing that you have to do. The thing that you need to do is to write the key. This is very important, yeah. Otherwise you will lose point. So the key here, you have to give information how to read the stem and leaf diagram. Okay. So stem, not stem, yeah, stem, yeah. So 5, for example, I just give one example. 5 and then 4, so means, okay, means that this is 54. 54 what? 54 centimeter. Okay, yeah, so this is the key. So key is very important. So if you write only in the stem and leaf diagram, you just get 1 point. If you also include the key, you get full point, 2 point. Okay, so that's for number 1. And number 2, now find for this distribution the mode. The mode is the most frequent data, yeah, that appear. Okay, the most common data. So in here, in this case, we have 2 5, okay, and then there are 2 2s, yeah. So this one 5 5 represent the 75, yeah. So we have the mode is 75 and also 82. Okay, so there are 2 modes, yeah. Mode can be it's possible to have more than 1 mode, yeah. So don't have to worry about that. And then now the median here, if you want to find the median, it's very important for you to order the data from the smallest to the highest, because here in the stem and leaf diagram you already order it from the smallest to the highest. Okay, yeah, so it's very easy for you to find the median. So first, if you want to find the median, you find the position, yeah, the location of the median. So how to find the location? You use the formula here, the total number of data plus 1 divided by 2. So we have 20 data, right? So 20, this is to find the location, yeah, plus 1 and then divided by 2. So we have 21 divided by 2, you have 10.5. So this is the location where the median is. Okay, yeah, so in the location 10.5. So where is it 10.5? So we count, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10.5. So this one between 2 and 3. Yeah, this is not only 2 and 3, but this is actually 82 and 83. So between 82 and 83, 10.5. If we want to find the median, so the median between 82 and 83, it means that you can find the, what is it, the average between 82 and 83. So 82 plus 83 divided by 2. So you got 165 divided by 2, so you get 82.5. So this is the median. Okay, now how to find the mean, the C part. So this is the mean. So mean, if you want to find the mean, you just need to sum all the data divided by the number of data. So this one, you just need to sum all the data. Yeah, here for example I have 54 plus 64 plus 66 plus etc. until you get plus 99. Yeah, at the end, the last data. And then because the total number of data is 20, so it's divided by 20. So here you get, after you add them all, so you get 1618 divided by 20, so you get 80.9. So in this case, in the mean case, so you don't have to round it, yeah, because mean, yeah, very common for mean to be decimal, so you don't have to round it off. Okay, so just leave it 80.5 like that in case of mean. Yeah, so in here in the mean you also have 2 points. Yeah, be careful, if you have more than 1 point you must show the method, otherwise you just, yeah, lose all the point, because sometimes the method, the accuracy must follow the method. Yeah, if you don't have the method, you don't have the accuracy as well. Okay, so that's number 2. Now we go to number 3. Okay, a group of students was asked the number of watches they own. The histogram illustrates the result of the survey. So we are going to find first the number of students in the group. So this is very easy. You just need to count. Yeah, the frequency here, there are 4, the frequency 3, and then this is 6, this is 5, and this is what, 2. So you just add them all, you get 20 students. Okay, that's it, the number of students. You just need to sum the frequency, all the frequency here. Okay, and the II part, the second part, the model number of watches per student. So the model here is the most frequent data. So here the highest one is 6. 6 is the frequency, not the data that we want. So the highest is 6, so 6 belongs to 3, number of watches 3. So the answer is 3, the model number of watches. Yeah, so 3 has the highest, which is 6. Okay, so the answer is 3, not 6. Okay, and the median number of watches per student. So to find the median, you need to find the position first. Yeah, okay, the position here is the total number of data plus 1 divided by 2. So we have 20 students, so 20 data, right? So 20 plus 1 divided by 2. So we have also 10.5. So the location of median here is in the 10.5. Okay, yeah. So how we can find it? So we just need to look at this. 4 plus 3 is 7. Okay, 7 plus 6 is 7 plus 6 is, what is that? 7 plus 6 is 13. Yeah, okay, 7 plus 6 is 13. So the 10.5 is actually inside, is here. Yeah, the 10.5 is here actually in the 3 part. Yeah, so if you, okay, so in between 3 and 3. So 3 plus 3 divided by 2, so you get 6 divided by 2, you get 3. So the median here is 3. Yeah, 10.5 is here. Okay. Yeah. So now the last one, to find the mean number of watches per student. So we are going to find the mean. Yeah. So how to find the mean? In here, in this case, you need to multiply the frequency with the number of watches. Okay. So here, because the frequency is 4, the number of watches is 1. So you multiply it 4 times 1. Okay. And this one 3 times 2, 6 times 3, 5 times 4, 2 times 5. Yeah, you add them together. So 4 plus 1, times, yeah, not plus. Okay, so 4 times 1 plus 3 times 2 plus, again, what is that, 6 times 3, okay, plus 5 times 4 plus 2 times 5. Yeah, and then after that you divide it by the total number of data, which is 20. Yeah, so you get here, after you count it, you get 58 divided by 20. So the answer is 2.9. Okay, in here you don't have to round it to 3 because it's very common for mean to be decimal, so you just leave it in decimal. Yeah, this is the final answer. Okay, once more, because the score is 2, so you need to show the method. Okay, yeah, so this is the end of the discussion for the SW6. I hope you understand. Thank you very much.